In this video, I'll be disassembling this 2022 Chevy Corvette LED headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I'd like to start by commenting that on this light, the control unit is on the upper half of the light. Most headlights are designed to have the control unit mounted to the bottom of the light. What I like about this design is that if there's moisture in the headlight, it's not going to fall down into the electronic component. The control unit is held in with 4 T20 Torx screws. With the 4 screws removed, you can simply slide the control unit out of the socket. Next, I'll cut off the remainder of the lens. I've cut the lens from the light. I will start by removing the T20 screws holding on the outer black bezel. Next, I'll remove the T20 screws holding on the upper light bar. The moisture pack is glued to the bottom of the light. There's a hidden T20 Torx screw behind this black bezel. There's a T20 screw in the upper corner. Next, I'll unlock the wire harness connector. There's a clip on each side holding on this black bezel. They are very difficult to get to. I'm just going to pop these off and see what happens. Both of the clips broke. I now have access to the 2 mounting clips. The third mounting clip will simply pop off. we can simply turn and pop out the AFS motor. The headlight is now fully disassembled. There are 3 clips on the rear of the projector holding it together. There are 4 T20 screws holding the projector to the bracket. There are 4 T10 screws holding the projector together. There are 2 T10 screws holding on each of the LED diffusers. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here's the cooling fan and shroud. Here's the projector lens and lens holder. Here's the main LED drive unit. Here's the upper LED diffuser. Here's the lower LED diffuser. Here's the AFS motor. Here's the corner LED. Here is the smaller, lower light bar. Here's the upper, larger light bar. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.